We manufacture linkages, rod ends, bearings, and so forth that go into many products that you might see in an everyday life, from pleasure vehicles to automobiles to medical and exercise equipment. We deal with complex motions and simple solutions. Perhaps there's an element in place or a component in place that requires many parts. We simplify that design, and maybe one part takes the place of 3 or 4. Simplifying the installation, the fabrication, and most importantly, the usage of that product for the end user. There is pressure in our customers' organizations to bring something new, something noteworthy to the marketplace. They know they can pick up the phone and rely upon us to assist them in that mission. We get involved with our customers' design phase very early on, long before even the prototyping stage. We constantly work proactively with our customers to assist them in improving, not just settling, but improving their current product line to keep them competitive in their own marketplaces. Customization is the core of our success. We customize specifically product by product to bring the best solution to our customer. Quality is the cornerstone of everything that we do. Everybody at Alinabal is involved in quality, from the receiving dock all the way through the building of the products, through the CEO's presentation of our solutions to his customers. We're a lean manufacturer, and we're always looking for ways to more efficiently get product into our customers' hands. We're removing waste in everything from the way we bring materials into the building to the way we manufacture our components. And the end result is the customer's provided the best product in the marketplace in a value he can understand. You should come to Alinabal because with our team you'll find engineering and manufacturing expertise bar none. We strive to build the best product available, certainly with performance that meets the requirements of our customers at a price that they can justify. Through the long term, they have a partner that will not only help them in the design of their product, but will back up that product for years to come.